Alrighty, so we're doing question 10 of Unit 4, General Maths. This one, we're looking at some dividing. So with dividing, we put our division sign on the page. We put the biggest number on the inside. And then we put the smaller number on the outside. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for our 7 times tables that will fit into this number. So first thing I'm going to do is just get a times table chart. Okay, so I've put my times table chart in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 7 and I'm going to say, does 7 fit into 2? So what that's saying is that I've got 2 spaces and I need to fit 7 things into them. That's clearly not going to work. 7 is too big for the 2. So what I need to do then is put a 0 up the top to say it does not fit. And then they're going to get married and we're going to make it 21. So now what I'm doing is I've got 21 seats on my bus or whatever it is that we're doing. 5, 6, 7. Here's 21 of them. And I'm going to see if I can make groups of 7. Now, if I look over here at my times table chart, it tells me that 21 is 3 groups of 7. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 3 at the top here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 7 and I'm going to go to the next column. I'm going to say how many 7s fit into 7. So this is saying I have 7 spaces. How many groups of 7 can I make? Just 1, as my times table chart tells me, just there. 1 and 1. And that is my answer for the first division. Okay, so now I've got my 4 times tables because our next question that we're doing is 4, 4, 8, 4 divided by 4. So same thing again, we start on the left and we say, okay, how many 4s fit into 4? So I look for the number 4 on my times table chart. There it is, 1 group of 4. So I'm going to put 1 there. And then that's going to be the same for the next one. And then I go to my third one, 8, and I have a look and I go, oh, 8 is 2 groups of 4. So I'm going to put a 2 there. Then I go back and I have 1 group of 4 for my last number. That's our simple dividing. Now C, D, and E are going to do division with decimals. Now for our purposes right now, we do not need to do that manually. What I'd like you to do instead is to use a calculator for these questions because it'll be a really good practice to put them in a calculator. Okay, so what we're going to have is when we put them in the calculator, the big number, the division sign, and then the second number. The big number, the division sign, then the second number, the big number, the division sign, the second number. And that's going to be question 10.